Ganito rin ba ang ginawa nila noong may impeachment kay Presidente Bongbong Marcos? Napakalinaw po na ang sagot nila ay hindi naman sila nagtanong. Hindi sila nagsaliksik kung paano ang ginagawa nila ngayon sa pangalawang Pangulo. Ang akin po lamang, makatarungan ba na hindi parehas ang trato natin dito? Dapat sana parehas eh. Kaya po, ang hinihiling ko sa atin, total naman, lahat naman kayo ay sumang-ayon na sa Freedom of Information Bill ko. Hindi pa nga lang nagsasubmit ang House of Representatives. Bakit kung ganito ang pamantayan natin, hindi buksan na natin lahat ng bank records natin? Lahat na. Tayong lahat ay buksan na natin, lahat. Para mapakita sa taong bayan na wala tayong kinikilingan dito. Ito ay oras na para samantalahin natin ang pagkakataong ito na ipasa yung FOI. Kasi kung ganito, na parang meron tayong tinititigan sa tinitingnan, hindi maganda ito para sa taong bayan. Tandaan po natin, pantay-pantay tayo sa harap ng Diyos at ng batas. At hinihingi ko po sa inyo na ilagay sa record ang aking pagtutol sa ruling na ito.
Senator Judge who wish to submit the written explanation in regard to the twin orders may do so. Senator Judge Marcos and Legarda are both raising their hands, so the same applies to them. Submit. Senator Judges Marcos, Legarda, and Villar Camille are manifesting that they will be submitting their manifestations in regard to the twin rulings of the court, and the same is allowed and will be made part of the records. Since this was received only last Friday, the court was not able to act on it on their requested dates. Court therefore sets this to July 21, tomorrow at 9 a.m. Due notice is given to both parties for this purpose. Likewise, the court is in receipt, the presiding officer rather, as well as the Senate President, of a letter of manifestation signed by Senator Judge Marcoleta, citing a rule in the era of impeachment trial and wanting his vote to be considered. Chair, the presiding officer of this court will not act on it at this time, but instead, since we will be resuming next week, we'll be referring this matter to the Senate as a legislative body, given that it's the Senate that will be amending the rules, to allow participation through a vote. Because apparently, as pointed out by Senator Judge Marcoleta, during the Estrada impeachment trial, a rule was adopted, which we are confirming, that allows the Senate President to provide a mechanism by which a senator who cannot vote under any unavoidable circumstances to cast his vote on any matter. But since this impinges upon the rules of the impeachment court, this matter should properly be taken up by the Senate as a legislative body. And whatever decision the Senate will have as a legislative body, the court shall implement it.